Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be fired up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood for some updates. Not already following me on Instagram or X at the Calibre, please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. Beautiful and hot Friday over here at Universal. We got lots of decorations that have gone up for Fan Fest. Let's check them out. On our last trip, we saw these banners go up, but look at the centerpiece. I love it. Feels so good to be back at Universal. I will say it is like 84, 85 right now, so be prepared for the heat if you're gonna be traveling anytime soon. I feel like today might be a lot of Fan Fest update, but Lemley Court has now become 10 Forward Bar, which is Star Trek. That's what everybody was telling me. So we got this cool setup. We saw that already. We got lots of seating now. And then I'm assuming this is like a photo op. Yeah, look, we got chairs now. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We actually got a trailer for Fan Fest, and it involves Star Trek, the walkthrough, Dungeons and Dragons. We got a good look at Back to the Future, and it just gave us like a preview of what to expect for One Piece, Jujutsu Kaisen, Super Nintendo, Harry Potter. Fan Fest is stacked. I can't wait to celebrate. It all starts April 25th, so right around the corner. Over here at The Walking Dead, we got a marquee sign, which is going to be the wait time for Star Trek Red Alert. We actually got views of what it's going to look like in there recently, so cool photos. It's one of my most anticipated. It's one of the 2 walkthroughs we're going to have, so a lot of hype on that Star Trek experience. Got a couple more banners, all this cool lighting, lots of blue and white lighting. The thing that's interesting to me, we got like these blocked off areas that are like Coca-Cola. We got one over there too. I want to give a big shout out to Noah. It's his birthday today. What's your favorite part about Universal?
I like the mummy ride.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Well, happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
Just walking over here at Universal.
This hole is a disgrace to Carl Lemley.
Oh, my God.
Be careful.
You got to keep it safe, man. Thank you, Bernie.
I've got your back. I always have.
That's a big crack.
Watch out. Don't fall in the hole. Don't fall
All right, I'm going to stay away. I'm going to stay away. Another thing, too, you can see the theming happening inside the building now, too, on this area. Wow. That is cool. So, as much as we can't see inside, they're working hard in there too. Shout out to SoCalorific for pointing out that a new Spirit jersey arrived for The Simpsons. And here it is, The Simpsons. It's being sold for $80. Wow. Let's head on over to the lower lot, get the updates on the escalator hill too. Just want to showcase this angle too of Fast and Furious. And then this is the current state of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift on this beautiful Friday. A lot of focus right here right now. But once we get on the studio tour in a little bit, we'll get a better look at all the dive loop area. What in carnation is happening here? Whoa, I think they're digging. Wow, look at the height of this thing. That's how deep they're digging. What? Oh my Lanta. You can even take a look at the steel that has arrived. Wow. All right, I'll go down the escalators, get a better look at this. But yeah, this is the most work I've seen done during the day. Look, they already got some in already. Dang. They're pouring concrete. Wow. The speed of Universal, unreal. It's just unreal. Wild. And we did see those markers down that middle path. Let me zoom in. Maybe that's the path we're going to be following. Wow. Another big update to talk about. We got walkthrough. Looks like facade layout all being done now on the tent behind Transformers. We got some zoom in action. There we go. That's a really good angle at it. Wow. They are moving so fast. I have a hunch this facade's big. Whatever the heck's going on, that is gonna be big. I don't know what's going on with this project, but obviously this is a lot of money, effort, and if this is a retaining wall, what is the future? What is the future down here at the lower lot? Dungeons and Dragons is taking over the top above Jurassic Outfitter. So we're gonna have some foods and drinks. And a new entrance sign arrived. Let's go check it out. The First Roll Tavern. Well, I can't wait to visit. It looks like it might light up too. Over here on the right side, we got the marquee for Dungeons and Dragons, Secrets of Waterdeep. How long do you think this line's gonna be for this? I feel like this is gonna be a very, very big popular attraction. I'm assuming since this is on this side, we're gonna be going to the attraction this way, like if we were walking to Texas, instead of like the other side, which we were walking through the weekend. I was wondering how that was gonna work. Okay. Just noticed the Transformer hats are on discount, $11.99 instead of $25. All right. And then right behind me, these ones too.
That's not a thing.
This one's being sold for $10.99. It's pretty cool. All right, hardest part of my day right here. We're gonna do the steps all the way up. I do feel like it's getting easier though. All right, 45 to, I don't know, what is it, 200 up there? I feel like this one sucks the most. Yeah, that one hurts too. But the second one, I almost want to say I hate that one. All right, we're at like 160 now. Let's go. I keep thinking, is this getting easier? I don't think so. This is just hard. I'm on 220. We're almost there. We're almost there. All right, 255, 260, 265. Last one's 270. Let's go. All right. Last one. Let's finish strong. 340, 41, 42, 43, 44. 344 steps. Let's go to the studio tour. I just want to sit down. This is for sure the coolest thing I've seen today. Look at that. Back to the Future. Destination Hill Valley.
Into the studio and show them how movies are made. So it started with the Westerns. For 25 cents, they bring it in. Slide, rocks would literally come straight towards you. It was right over here to our left. for this exciting construction for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift is happening. You'll have to come back next year. It's gonna be insane. But to your right, this was a burning house. Literally would just light on fire. Look what it is today. It's a fire station. The times have changed. We operate like a real city. We do. We have fire stations, police departments, laundromats, hospitals.
Oh, yeah. And that was really fun. I still can't feel my toes. No, but seriously, my favorite part of this lot is the talented crew who put it all together, from hair, wardrobe, makeup, set design, props, and transportation. Yes! Yo,
As you can see, some production down here. Our amazing crew members. They have even longer days. They're working on a new show down there. It's an NDA, non-disclosure agreement, so I can tell you, you're probably tired of us now. Just know it's very exciting. It's our space the 14th. That's the video release. That's where the directors want to I'm not sure what this is. Definitely Bumblebee. You can play the music, we can have conversation. Fill it up with water, it takes about 3 days. Then it can look like the ocean. Put some sand in there. Then it can look like a desert. And some examples on your screen. This is before they even used the green screen. And then they used to hand paint the backdrop. This is hand painted, it looks pretty good. Computer was a lot quicker though. Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer, our 11th Best Picture. And of course, we're heading as a plane Captain Sully. 7 o'clock today.
I went to answer the phone, I was gone a second, I came back in, he let himself out of the playpen, he put on Scarface, and he glued his hands to the rum bottle.
Look at this. This is so cool. Wow. $2,000 though. So cool to see the facade coming to life over there at H Lot. And then the second tent has arrived. Can't wait to get updates on whatever that's gonna be. Man, there's just so much change and updates to like keep covering out here. I've had an awesome day. The weather is hot, so once again, be prepared. You're gonna be coming out here to Universal. Be prepared. Dress like it's summer. Like, also bring a hydro flask if you can, just so you have water all day, you know. But man, the changes happening out here are just unbelievable. We're gonna keep track of it all. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Smash that like button. We are firing it down.